Welcome to Drawer Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on a Motorola phone. There are three ways to take a screenshot. First method, press the volume down and power button at the same time. Once the screenshot is taken, you can edit it, share it, use Google Lens or delete it directly from the preview. Second method, go to settings, then tap on gestures. Find 3-finger screenshot and enable the feature. After that, you can take a screenshot with 3 fingers. Third method, again in gestures, select quick launch, enable this feature, then choose take screenshot. Now you can double tap on the back of your phone to take a screenshot. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.